10 things that turn guys on. Attraction is a complex mix of psychology, emotions, and chemistry. While many believe that men are only drawn to physical beauty, the truth is far deeper. Men are highly responsive to certain behaviors, personality traits, and subtle gestures that can instantly make a woman irresistible. If you've ever wondered what truly turns guys on beyond just looks, you're about to discover the secrets. These 10 powerful turn-ons can make a man see you in a completely new light, creating an instant and lasting connection. 1. Confidence. The most irresistible quality. There's nothing sexier to a man than a woman who carries herself with confidence. A woman who knows her worth, speaks her mind, and isn't afraid to be herself instantly captivates a man's attention. Confidence isn't about being loud or boastful. It's about owning your energy, walking with purpose, and embracing your uniqueness. Men find it incredibly attractive when a woman is comfortable in her own skin. Whether it's the way she carries herself in a conversation or how she takes control of her life, confidence radiates an energy that draws men in effortlessly. 2. A genuine smile. The ultimate icebreaker. A simple, authentic smile can be one of the biggest turn-ons for a guy. It signals warmth, positivity, and approachability. A smile isn't just about the lips. It's about the eyes, the body language, and the feeling it creates. When a woman smiles in a genuine way, it instantly makes her more attractive. Men are drawn to positivity, and a woman who can brighten up a room with her smile becomes unforgettable. It's one of the easiest yet most powerful ways to captivate a man's attention. 3. A playful sense of humor. Laughter builds attraction. Men love women who can make them laugh. A playful, light-hearted personality can instantly turn a casual conversation into a deep connection. Teasing, witty comebacks, and shared laughter create an emotional bond that goes beyond physical attraction. Men are naturally drawn to fun, and a woman who knows how to enjoy life, joke around, and keep things exciting becomes incredibly attractive. Playfulness adds an element of mystery and adventure, making every interaction more engaging. 4. Subtle physical touch. A powerful silent signal. Touch is one of the most powerful forms of communication. A slight touch on his arm during a conversation, a playful nudge, or even fixing his collar can send powerful signals of attraction. Men are highly responsive to physical touch, especially when it's subtle and unexpected. It creates an instant connection and builds anticipation. The key is to make it natural and effortless. Too much can feel overwhelming, but just the right amount can leave him wanting more. 5. A captivating voice. The hidden attraction trigger. The way a woman speaks can be incredibly attractive to a man. A soft, feminine, yet confident voice with a bit of playfulness can be hypnotic. The tone, pace, and even slight pauses in conversation can create intrigue and deepen attraction. Men find it alluring when a woman speaks with warmth and emotion, rather than a monotone or overly aggressive tone. The right balance of confidence and sweetness in a woman's voice can leave a lasting impression. 6. Intelligence and deep conversations. A mental turn-on. Attraction isn't just physical. Men are turned on by women who challenge them intellectually. A woman who has opinions, engages in thought-provoking conversations, and isn't afraid to share her perspective becomes incredibly intriguing. Men appreciate women who are well-spoken, knowledgeable, and curious about the world. Intelligence doesn't mean being overly serious. It's about being able to engage in meaningful discussions while still keeping things light and fun. 7. Effortless style and grooming. First impressions matter. Men are visual creatures, and while they don't expect perfection, they do notice effort. A woman who takes care of her appearance, dresses well, and smells amazing can be a huge turn-on. It's not about expensive clothes or heavy makeup. It's about knowing what works for you, carrying yourself with elegance, and embracing your personal style. A woman who looks effortlessly put together creates a lasting impression. 8. A bit of mystery. The power of intrigue. Men love a little bit of mystery. A woman who doesn't reveal everything at once keeps him intrigued and wanting to know more. The art of leaving something to the imagination makes interactions exciting. Being mysterious doesn't mean playing games. It means having a life outside of him, being independent, and keeping an element of surprise. When a woman doesn't give away everything too soon, it builds attraction and keeps the spark alive. 9. Passion and ambition. A woman with purpose. A woman who has passion and ambition is incredibly attractive to a man. Whether it's her career, hobbies, or personal goals, having something she's deeply passionate about creates a magnetic energy. Men admire women who have a sense of purpose and don't rely on someone else to define their happiness. A woman who is driven and motivated exudes confidence and becomes someone a man respects and desires. 10. Kindness and emotional connection. The ultimate bond. While physical attraction plays a role, what truly keeps a man invested is emotional connection. A woman who is kind, compassionate, and emotionally intelligent creates a deeper bond that goes beyond surface-level attraction. Men appreciate women who can understand their emotions, support them without judgment, and create a safe space for vulnerability. Kindness is one of the most underrated yet powerful turn-ons because it builds trust and intimacy. Conclusion: attraction is more than just looks. The things that truly turn men on go beyond physical appearance. Confidence, humor, intelligence, and emotional connection all play a crucial role in deep attraction. When a woman embodies these qualities naturally, she becomes unforgettable. Attraction isn't about trying too hard. It's about embracing who you are and carrying yourself with self-assurance. By understanding what truly excites and intrigues men, you can build stronger connections, spark deeper attraction, and create relationships that last. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.